Do you remember on the last video when I said be careful with your ABS sensor, because if you stretch the wire or if you hit it with something or against something, it could break because they're fucking sensitive. Well, guess what happened to me? Little like you know, it's not working. Or it is working, but malfunctioning, let's call it. So guess what we're doing today? So hello everyone and welcome back to another video. We're gonna do ABS sensor on the Forester, and if we got time, I've got the bushes to do on the front anti-roll bar, so we're gonna be doing that as well. So let's just jump into it. So first thing we're gonna be doing is you got a 12mm bolt here and one just right there for your seat. So we're gonna take them off. So we can remove our seat properly. Once we got them both off, we can unhook it from there. So when you lift them up, you're gonna find the connector right here. I already got a disconnect because it was giving me pulsations on the actual foot brake. So I don't know where I did a pause there, but yeah, foot brake. So basically I disconnect them so it wasn't annoying me. So that's the grommet where it goes through right there. So we can remove that, push this down as it goes like that. Probably would like to clean this before I put the seat back on, and let's go underneath. As you can see, here we go, a wire with our connector there. And what we need to do is, let me see, where's the torch? So you can see there's a wire there. We need to open that clip to be able to remove the actual wire running through there. Right, let's see if that did work enough. There we go. That's all nice and crusty, just like we like it. Now we've got this bracket here that runs alongside this arm. So it has one up there, as you can see, and then one on this side here. I don't know if I can show it there, where the handbrake cable as well runs. So let's remove that, and then we just can remove it right from there, put the new one back in, go for a run and see what happens. Alright, so once that bracket is off, we just have a 14mm right there. Take that off, put the new one back in. Let's go for a drive. As well, I bought two new clips because, as you can see, that one was missing. So I got two new clips to put, one in this side and one on the other. Why not? Once we remove this bracket, we got 12mm right here, right at the back of the sensor. So we just need to try to crack that. And should be able to just remove it. There you go. That's all nice, all sensor. What we do now, before we put anything back on, is we're gonna clean all that hole. I don't know if I can show you from that. Where is the torch? One in here. There we go. So there. So we're gonna clean all of that, and then we're gonna put a new sensor back in there. So here we go, our old sensor. As you can see, it doesn't seem to be in bad condition, but it's just not working anymore, or as it should anyway. So it has this bracket, comes with this bracket, and this bit used to be here, as you can see, right there. But now when I was taking it out, the bolt was a bit seized on that, so it broke. So what I did to get it out, before trying to get my angle grinder on it, what I did is I put a, let me just, so what I did is, on this, I put a 12mm span at the back, and then with the ratchet and the 12mm socket, just got it off. So we're not gonna need this shit anyway. So here's our new sensor, and let's be gentle with it. As you can see, the new sensor comes with a new bracket everywhere, so we're not gonna need that anymore. Alright, so probably I'm gonna be on your way. So let's see. Let's get this in there. The easiest and most careful way we can do. But just backwards basically. Okay, so I just put this one on just to hold it in place. Now this bolt is a bit fucked anyway, which we love. So I'm just sort of forcing it in. I know I shouldn't, but I don't have a new bolt, so this one will do for the meantime. One thing I want to do is, if you can see here, that should be on top of that. That one should be on top of this one. So I'm going to bend it just so it actually matches with that on the other side. One thing I didn't want to do, but I'm going to have to, because I tried to remove that bracket there. You can see that, but that is basically round, and I don't want to be fucking about with that. So I'm going to use it still the older bracket, even though it comes with a new one. That will do it. That will hold it anyway in place. Doesn't need much force anyway. So we put it through there. We put it through that hole that you can see above there, and connect it and see what happens. So once we have the grabber in position, we can just go ahead and click this in, which should go just like so. And there we go. So that should be working properly now, but we're gonna find out. As I said, first I'm gonna clean all this crap in here. I realized I didn't film my outro for this video, so as well as that, I'm gonna give you some inside information for what is to come. We've got at least 8 videos here already planned. Some of them are got parts already here, some of them I have to order them, some of them are my car, some of them are my partner, some of them are my parents, friends, that's how, you know, how it works and how it helps me to create content for people to see and maybe hopefully to learn something on the way. So we're going to be introducing a couple of new vehicles. Basically, the next one is going to be a Ford Fiesta Mark V. We're going to be doing some auxiliary belts, as it has two. They are both stretchy, so that'll be annoying to get on. We've got as well a Passat that we're going to be doing. We've got a Jeep Patriot that we're going to be working on. Apart from my cars, there's one car that I've got that you haven't seen yet, and on that one, I mean, fingers crossed, knocking all the wood that you can find. It hasn't broken down, or I don't have to replace nothing apart from the rear tires, so I'm not really doing anything with it. But I've got a bracket for the rear bumper, so it fits better. So at some point we'll be filming that and I'll be showing you. Now what I'm gonna do is right here, I'm gonna make a list of the next videos coming up. I think my idea was more or less to do a video every 2 weeks, day up, day down. But since I've got quite a lot of things to do, I think I'm gonna try to upload the video every 10 days. So that with the videos I got here will get us to the 21st of October. Now there's more things that I'm gonna have to do, but I'm not gonna put in this list, just because it will depend on the need of the actual replacement or repair. So if it's more urgent, we will have to push it forward, and I might actually upload the video at the same time. I'm gonna link down here somewhere or in the actual bio my second Instagram account, where I'm gonna try to upload small videos of it, or maybe give you a quick update of what I'm doing, even if the video might take another 2-3 weeks to come for you to see. And apart from that, I think this is everything. I hope you enjoy my videos. I'm trying to get better at them. I'm trying a new program now to make the videos, so it seems to be more professional. You got more options and you play with other things that I couldn't play before with, you know. So I'm not gonna get into detail because that's probably boring. But yeah, I'm really happy, really excited for this. Well, for finish the basically summer. Summer here in the UK is, you know, hit and miss. So we're probably going to be working when it's raining, when it's sunny, when it's windy. So bear with me. I might try to get a mic so you can hear me better when, you know, when it's windy outside. And apart from that, as I said, I think this is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video replacing the ABS sensor. The car is working so much better. Actually, before we go, I realized when I was editing this video that my caliper pipe is a bit twisted. So I've removed that and turned it around, and it has now the proper loop. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you next time.